ನಮ್ಮ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಪುರ. Good morning. Sit down.
Thank you, sir.
How are you? Are you all fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Today, I am going to teach you one of the basic English grammar aspects that is called parts of speech. Yes. Right. Before starting a parts of speech, you must know the main intention of language. Language is the way we have using to communicate with one to another. Is it right? Without a language, understand, I am talking about not only English but any language. We need a communication. Okay. If you want something from others, for example, you forget to bring a pen or a notebook. You are going to ask a notebook or a pen from your friends. So at the time you are going to ask. So at the time we are speaking, we are asking. Understand? So in that way, in English we have different kinds or different varieties of the words. Words are speech. Is it right? There are many kinds of the words of the speech. Especially in English, how many kinds of the parts of speech? 9. Okay. Any one of you please stand up and tell me one by one. Yes, you. Yes, you try. How many parts of speech? 9. Which are they? Noun.
Adverb.
Say loudly and give a pause one after one. First one. Noun.
Pronoun.
Okay.
Verb.
Adverb.
Conversation.
Adverb. Conjunction. Okay.
Interjection.
Okay. Pre. Okay. Very good. Sit down. Any one of you please continue. Other. Yes. Yours. Stand up. Okay. Say it first. Say it from beginning.
Noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, conjunction, interjection, preposition.
You have forgot one. Okay. Any one of you? Another? Try it. Anybody? Boys? From the boys side? Boys? Can you try it? Interjection. Okay. Let's see one by one. Okay. Please sit down. Very good. What's your name? Akshata. Yours? Lakshmi. Sit down. We have 8 parts of speech. How many parts of speech? 8 parts of speech. Right. First one is noun,
Pronoun. Verb. Adverb. Adjective. Conjunction. Preposition.
and interjection. Okay. You just listen. Don't repeat. Noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Is it right? And one more is there, that is article. Okay. Shall any one of you come and write on the board? Any one of you please come forward and write. I will help you. Don't worry. Yes. Anybody from boys side? Any one of you come forward and write the parts of speech, the kinds of the parts of speech on the board. You ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಒಬ್ರು ಬಂದು ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರೀತೀರಾ? Any one of you? Come. Yes, yours. Take it. to write first one here. Yes, first one. What is this? Noun. Okay. Wait. Give chance to others. Can you come? Very good. Yes, you. Where's the second one? Sit down. What's the second one? Pronoun. 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 Very good. Yes. Third one. SU. Which is the third one? Which is the third one?
Verb.
Say loudly.
Verb.
Verb. Right. VE RB. Verb. VE RB. B. Yes. Verb. Okay. Next. Yes, you. Fourth one. Which one? Adverb. Adverb. Okay. Right. Video class. Very good. Adverb. Next. Fifth one. Yes. Come. Any? Yes, you. I help you of spelling. Yes, you. Which one? Fifth one. Adjective. AD. JE. Don't use capital letter in the between of the word. A capital, D small letter, write a small letter, D, very good. JE, CTI, VE. Okay. Sixth one. Anybody? Yes. Yes, you. Then you just get ready. Okay. After adjective, sixth one. Which is the sixth one? Very good. Right. Conjunction. CONJUNCTION. Very good. Yes. Next one. 7. Yes. Yes. Yes, you. Come fast. 7th one. Which one? Preposition. PRE POSI TION. Preposition. Okay. PRE POSITION. Preposition. Okay, good. Next, the last one. Yes, you come. Interjection. All right. I capital, write a capital. Interjection. JECTION. CTI. Try to write little more big. Right? You just write in a improve your font size. Wipe it. Okay. Write again. J-E-C-T-I-O-N. C-T-C-T-I-O-N. Very good, very good. And one more is there, that is ninth one, that is article. Yes. Okay. Dear children, these are the 9 important parts of speech. You just focus on it. Love. There are, if you are saying any sentence, tell me any one of you say one English sentence. One English sentence. Say one English sentence. One English sentence. Say it. One sentence. Say any sentence you can write. You can say. Any one of you. Hello. Pardon? Pardon? I can't hear your voice. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Animals. Say one sentence. Sentence. What's your name? She say my name is. Yes. She is saying that my name is Anusha. Anusha. Dhanushri. Oh, sorry. Which one? Dhanushri. Dhanushri. Okay. This is a sentence. Is it right? In this sentence, can you tell me? Yes, you stand up. Yours. What's your name? Your name is Siddesh. Siddesh, how many words are there in this sentence? How many words? How many words are there? Count it. This is one sentence word. Okay. Just tell me. Okay. How many words are there in this sentence? ಎಷ್ಟು ಪದಗಳಿದಾವೆ ಈ ವಾಕ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ? Yes. You know? Say loudly. Say in English word. There are 4. Say loudly. There are 4 words in this sentence. Understand? Now we are studying in a 4 words in a different kinds. There are various kinds of the words. My is a different word. Name is a different word. Is a different word. And Dhanushri is a different word. Now we are studying the words of the sentence. So wherever you are go, whatever the sentence you are saying, any kind of the sentence, you have the mixture of these 9 kinds of the words. Now tell me, my is belongs to which parts of speech?
Pronoun.
Very good. Pronoun. My is the pronoun. Tell me name. Name. So my is pronoun. Okay, this is okay. Yeah. Then name. Which one? No. Yes, you. Verb. Very good. Yes. Then is.
Adverb.
No. Is also verb. Which word? It is a helping word. Okay. Helping word. Then Dhanushri.
Noun.
Noun. Okay. Like this. Any sentence you can go. There are different kinds of the parts of speech are there in a sentence. Is it right? Sit down. Sit down. Okay. Now we can go through. We can study detailed kinds of the parts of speech one by one. Shall we take first one? Noun. Okay. Yes. Shall I work this? Yes. Please take down. Writing parts of speech. It is also called parts of the words. Okay, or kinds of the words. Yes. First one is a noun. It is a noun. Now tell me what is a noun? Anyone of you? Yes? Yes?
Noun is a place or things.
Okay. Say in a correct sentence form. Yes, you.
The noun is the name of the place, person, things or
Animal.
animals.
Very good, very good, very good. Okay. You have say some hints. She made that small sentence. Now I am going to give you a correct statement. All both of you sit down. Now a word which denotes name of the place, person, things, and animal. A word, okay, which denotes a come on place, person, things, and
Animals.
okay. So one thing you have to learn, it any kind of the word that should denotes, that should says, that should identifies, that should mention, that should shows a place. Any kind of the place. For example, Gopenhalli, for example, Channagiri, for example, Davangere, for example, Bangalore, Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai, America, England, Asia, America, any Antarctica, anything else. Okay? Okay? So, name of the place. The place identifies as a noun. Is it right? Then, person. Any person. Okay? Rama. Okay? Krishna. What's your name? Yogesh. Your name? Lakshmi Devi. Your name? Swami. Sit down, sit down. What's your name? Chaya. Your name? Kiran. What's your name? Pasamma. Your name? Sushmita. So these are the person. The name of the person. A word which denotes a name of the person. Understand? And things. Any kind of the things. Any kind. Any kind you can say. Yes. What is this? This is a chalk. This is a pen, book, pencil, door. Okay? The door. Anything else. It is a things. And animals. Animals. Any animals. Yeah, any animals. Say some animals. Lion, tiger, dog. Yes, any. Okay. So, like, so I am going to say PPTA. PPTA. It denotes noun. P for person. P for place. Or P for place, person, things, animals. PPTA, short form. Okay? PPTA means place, person,
things, animals.
okay? Let's write down the example. So, place. You can say any place. You can say some place. Any one of you. Rockfenner. Yes. Yes, sit down. Sit down. Let's say any one name of the place. Yadaದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಊರು. ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು? Yeah, Channagiri. Yes. Next, P Another P, person. Yes, you tell me your name. Any name of the person? Name of the person. ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯ ಹೆಸರು. Manoj. Yes. Then yours. Renita. Correct? Renita. N-I or N-E? N-I. Very good. Sit down, both of you. Then you stand up. Yes. Tell me the things. Any things in. Say anything. ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ವಸ್ತು ನಿನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಏನಿದೆ? Like pen. Yes. Sit down. Yours? Huh? No, I want one more example for the things. Yes. Yours? Give me one example for the thing. Thing give one example for. Do you have a book? Huh? I am asking you. Do you have a notebook? Tell me. What is that? Say loudly. You have a book? Show me. ತೋರಿಸು ನನಗೆ. Yes. ಮೇಲೆ ತೋರಿಸು. ಹಾಗೆ. That is a book. That is a thing. Yes. Another animal. Yes, yes, you. Owl. What's your? Owl. Then, any one of you? Last one. Hello. Yes. What's your name? I forgot. Yesterday only I asked your name. Pardon? Nandini. Yes. Nandini, tell me one name of the animal. Animal or a bird. Anything else. Have you seen dog? How is that? How it make a sound? You only tell. How the dog makes a sound. Have you seen dog? ನಾಯಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ಯಮ್ಮ? ಈಗ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು. ನಾಯಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳು? How dog makes sound? Yes, ಹೇಳು ಹೇಗೆ? Video is going on. Time waste ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. Okay. Dog. Alva? Say one animal name. Dog. D-O-G. Yes. Dog. So these are the examples for noun. Is it right? Okay. So these are the best example. It is the best way to sit down. Best way to remember the noun PPTA. Person, place, things. Any kind of the place, any kind of the person, any kind of the things, any kind of the
Animals.
are called noun. Is it right? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Shall I wipe it?
Yes, sir.
Now let's move to the kinds of the noun. Yes. Can you tell me how many kinds of the nouns? Yes.
Person, place, things, animals.
Okay. These are the examples of, as you told, person, place, things, animals. In a noun, there are many kinds, categories. What we can say in Kannada, ಪ್ರಕಾರಗಳು. ಈ noun ನಲ್ಲೇ ಕೆಲವು ಪ್ರಕಾರಗಳಿವೆ. Okay. Right. Sit down. First one is common noun. Yes, second one proper noun. noun. Yes. Is there another kind of the noun? Is it one more noun, kinds of the noun? Yeah, abstract noun. Abstract noun. So these are the major kinds of the noun. Noun ನಲ್ಲಿನ ನಾಲ್ಕು ಪ್ರಕಾರಗಳು. Okay. So as your friend, what's her name? What's your name? Rekha told PPTA. PPTA means person, place,
things, animals.
In that four examples as we have seen just only, here these are the four kinds of the parts of noun. Common noun, proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun. First I am giving you example. So common noun. So common noun, it means that it is common of the name. For example, I am giving you an example of man. Man. Man means he is a man. We don't know proper man. For example, when we give an example to proper noun, when I say Rama. Rama is a particular name of the person. So, do you understand common to proper? Understand? So, common noun means a name of the a common noun is a noun that is common to the PPTA. It is common to the PPTA. Common to the PPTA means common to the person, place,
Things, animals.
For example, it is a P for common person, common village. For example, I am saying a village. I am not saying a particular name of the village. I am not saying a village. Name of the village. I am not saying Oppenalli, Chennagiri, Davangere. I am not saying. I am saying just a village, taluk, district, city, state. It is a common noun. Understand? And another things. Things. Just I am saying a table. Table. I am saying table, but I am not saying particular sitting table, writing table, dining table, or dressing table. There are different kinds of the tables, particular tables. Understand? Particularly. And animals. Animals, I am saying just a cat. Some of person, some of you, they are put a name on a cat or a dog. Puppy, dog, Gauri, Chintu. You have put a name to. How we have a names like I am Manjunath, she is Lakshmi, he is Yogesha, Manu, Rekha, Lakshmi. Okay, like this. Nandini. We have a names. Same thing. Animals have a name. In our Sirigere, there is a one. What is that? Elephant. Its name called Gauri. When I saying just an elephant, understand? When I saying a elephant, it is a common. When I saying particularly Gauri, it is a proper noun. Clear? Name of the person. Understand? Yes, Rama. So village, we can say Channagiri. Channagiri. Table, you can say particular table. You can say dining table. Yes, dining table. So name of the cat, you can say Nisha, Chini,